Welcome aboard this beautiful 2007 Sea Ray Sundancer 310, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The 2007 Sea Ray 310 Sundancer is a popular mid-size express cruiser that blends performance, comfort, and luxury. Sea Ray is known for its craftsmanship, and the 310 Sundancer is no exception. It is a versatile boat that appeals to both casual cruisers and those seeking a bit more performance, with features suitable for weekend getaways or day trips on the water. Additionally, as a luxury class express with the right mix of quality and performance, the Sundancer 310 is a brilliant, entertaining platform and an inviting place to spend entire days on the water. And with a sleek, stylish appearance that's both modern and unmistakably Sea Ray, the Sundancer 310 is a boat you'll be proud to own and proud to share. The boat's handling is stable, with responsive steering and good maneuverability, even at high speeds. It performs well in both calm and choppy waters, thanks to its deep V hull design. At the stern, the spacious extended swim platform is a nice touch for easy water access, making boarding easy both from stepping aboard from the dock and accessing from the water. There is a foldaway transom seat that faces aft for enjoyment at the dock or your favorite beach and raft-up spot. In the cockpit, the full beam layout of the Sundancer 310 allows for the best use of space and provides ample seating. The well-arranged variety of spaces in the cockpit provide easy maneuverability between them and include all the features of a well-designed boat. Additionally, the cockpit has a wet bar, sink, and grill, making it an ideal space for entertaining guests or relaxing while watching TV. This boat features a KVH TrackVision M3 satellite TV, so you will never miss your favorite game. The curved windshield provides excellent protection from the elements. The helm area offers a commanding view both forward and aft, providing optimal visibility underway and docking. At the helm, a beautiful bolstered seat provides comfort and support. This vessel is equipped with a wide range of electronics at the helm, including engine instruments, chart plotter, radar, trim tab controls, engine room hatch lift control, windlass, and remote spotlight controls. Moving forward from the cockpit is safe and easy, thanks to the walk-through windshield and steps. On the bow, you're greeted with a large area with a sunbed, and it is the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. A flush hatch at the bow offers easy access to the quick vertical windlass, allowing for quick, safe, and easy anchoring. The Sea Ray Sundancer 310 is equipped with twin Mercruiser inboards that provide the Sea Ray with a smooth, fast, and quiet ride. Additionally, the Sea Ray is equipped with a Kohler generator. Heading below, the well-appointed and luxurious cabin is bathed in soft light from the hull windows. The main central cabin has easy access to the settee to starboard, which converts to a berth, and the galley to port. The spacious cabin features a galley with solid surface countertop, refrigerator, stainless steel sink, 2-burner electric stove, built-in microwave, and ample storage. Forward is a well-sized V-berth that ensures nights on board are comfortable and relaxing. There is storage under the bunk, along each side of the hull, and a hanging locker. To aft is a separate mid-cabin berth with its own privacy curtain, which provides additional sleeping space. The head is spacious, with solid surface countertop, stainless steel sink, shower, and storage. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, the Sundancer 310 is designed to help you do it all. To book your appointment to view this Sea Ray Sundancer 310, contact Little Yacht Sales.